Here she is going after mommy. Mommy just dragging him along. Oh, she's like,
one's still on, one's still on. He fell. Poor little guy. He's
still
like,
going after mommy.
Look.
Oh, she's going after mommy. Oh my gosh, she didn't have enough. She didn't have enough. She's going after mommy still. This guy really wants it.
Oh wait, why is it going over there? Maybe he's got to pee or something. Go pee pee. Go pee pee on the mat. Oh, I think he's still knocked out from falling over. He's peeing. Good boy.
Wow, he knows how to pee already, huh?
Good boy.
He goes on the mat and pee.
Yeah. Good boy. You want pee pee? Good boy. Yeah.
Yeah, he still wants more milk.
What you doing?